Hi, welcome to North State Law. My name is Nick Dogle, the owner and founder. Today we're going to have a little bit of what I call real talk, and that is what type of damage can you do if you handle your professional license case yourself? And potentially irrevocable damage can be done if you don't, at the very least, speak with an attorney before handling your case yourself. And I don't care if you're talking with another attorney and not my office. You need to speak with at least somebody, preferably somebody that has experience with these types of matters. Some law offices say, oh yeah, we've handled this here in the past and we've done a little bit of this and that and the other. Great. You got a little bit of a general practice, or you might have picked up a couple of these here and there. And then you got other firms like ours that this is all that we do. We don't do anything else other than professional license defense. So if you decide to do the case yourself, at the very least, at the outset of it, when you receive that notice that there's a complaint been filed, at least speak with an attorney first. If you decide, hey, I can handle this myself, after you've spoken with an attorney, then, good luck to you. Maybe you can. Cases do get dismissed. It's not super frequent, but it does happen. You gotta also be aware that if you're not familiar with the process, you could potentially take some missteps that could harm your case really badly, and you can't really undo certain things that you might have done. Whereas if you hire an attorney on the front end, all the way through the process, especially an attorney that knows the process, they can kind of see what pitfalls might be coming up, see what you actually have to do versus what you don't have to do. And what I mean by that is some boards or agencies legally require you to produce certain documents. They legally require you to speak with an investigator and fully cooperate with the investigative process. Other boards and agencies do not have that language in their general statutes or administrative codes. And you got to be very, very careful, and this is why hiring an attorney in this field is recommended, because if you hire an attorney in this field, they know what boards or agencies require certain things. And if you do it yourself, you're not going to know that. Like, I don't do my own medical procedures because A, I'm not a doctor, B, that would be very difficult, and C, I'm going to probably make a mistake. Same thing with, if I've got an issue with my house and I've got a foundation issue, I'm going to an engineer. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm not going to do it myself. So you as a fellow professional, you got to be really careful what you feel like you can handle yourself, because even though obviously very intelligent, licensed professional, there's going to be some things in the process that you're probably not aware of. And if you try to handle it yourself and you're not familiar with it, you could do irrevocable damage to your profession, professional license, and your livelihood, unfortunately. If you got any questions, please check out my website. I got a lot of blogs on there. It's northstatelawfirm.com. You can also check a lot of the videos on my YouTube channel. And if you don't see anything on either one of those, give us a call like always. It's 919-521-8810, and a member of my staff will give you a free 15-minute discovery call. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.